Hi everyone, I'm back with my another video. It's been a while since I upload my video on my channel, but from now onward I'll try to upload new video at least every week and make my proper YouTube schedule as I want it to be. Anyways, back to the video now. Today I created this olive green smoky eye makeup look. So without wasting more time, if you want to know how to achieve this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm combing my eyebrows in the upward direction with the help of this spoolie. This will make sure that your hair stay on the same direction rather than going everywhere while filling your eyebrows. So here I start filling my eyebrows with this angle brush by taking some mascara on it. Yes, you heard it right, mascara. So right now I don't have any gel liner or brow pomade, so I make this you can say DIY brow pomade. This is a very helpful trick, you guys. If you don't have any brow pomade, you can take some mascara on it and fill your eyebrows with that. Also, keep in mind that don't take too much on the brush. Start taking it in a small amount and fill your eyebrows with that. Also, I am using this ADS mascara, which I really used on my lashes because it doesn't give me length and volume. So use a mascara that you don't like. This will also save you some money. Now I am using this Pro Touch concealer from Dyna of London and cleaning my eyebrows by taking it on this brush. This is my favorite thing to do because brows look so much neat and perfect after this. Using this ADS powder contour kit and taking this shade right here, which is very close to my skin color, and setting my eyelids with this. Now picking this yellow shade from the same kit, I am blending it on my crease area with this fluffy blending brush. Now I am taking this orange shade from this SFR color eyeshadow palette and blending it with the yellow shade. Also, I stick some tape facing towards my brows to get the more neatness while I am blending my eyeshadows. Now I am taking this pink shade on this stiff blending brush and blending it, only focusing on my crease line. Now taking this black shade on this flat blending brush and blending it with the pink shade. Now taking that same pink shade on the same brush, I am blending it with the black shade. Now I am spreading that same black shade all over my eyelids with the help of this flat shader brush. Now I am taking that same concealer on this brush and applying it on the center of my lid to get the more intensity of the eyeshadow, which I am going to apply next. Now I'm picking this shimmery olive green shade on this flat shader brush and applying it where I applied the concealer. Now taking some black shade and applying it in the inner corner and outer corner of my eye. Now I am using this eyeliner from the L'Oreal Paris and drawing a wing liner with this small flat brush. So first I draw the line in the outer corner facing towards my brows. Now drawing the second line in the inward direction to the center of the lid and filling it in and connecting that same line towards the inner corner. Now I am using this kajal from Blue Heaven and applying it on my waterline. Now I am smudging it on my lower lash line by picking some black shade on this small pencil brush. Now finishing the look by applying some falsies, and the lashes that I am using is from the brand Generic. Also the mascara I used on my upper and lower lashes is from Neon. So here's complete this makeup look. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a like. Also share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Also don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. All the links of my social media are listed in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.